Cooking is a basic life skill that everyone should learn. When you cook your own food at home, you save money, eat healthier, and discover the pleasure of creating something delicious with your own hands. You don't need to be a professional chef to cook well. All you need are some basic ingredients, simple recipes, and a little practice. Before you start cooking, it is important to prepare everything you need. Read the recipe carefully from beginning to end, check that you have all the ingredients, and prepare your tools, knives, pans, pots, and cutting boards. This preparation step is called mise en place, a French expression that means everything in its place. There are several basic cooking techniques that every beginner should know. Boiling means cooking food in hot water, like pasta or vegetables. Frying means cooking food in hot oil in a pan, like eggs or chicken. Baking means cooking food in the oven, like bread, cakes, or roasted vegetables. Steaming means cooking food with steam from boiling water, which is one of the healthiest cooking methods because it preserves the nutrients in the food. Learning to cook takes time and practice. You will make mistakes at first, but that is perfectly normal. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and experiment with different ingredients and flavors. With time, cooking will become one of your favorite activities.